Crea AI new update is insane. Crea AI just dropped something massive. You can now build AI apps without writing code. Turn your workflows into tools anyone can use. This changes everything for creators and businesses. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, let me tell you about something crazy that just happened. Crea AI just released an update called Node App Builder. And honestly, this might be one of the biggest updates I've seen in the AI creative space this year. On December 3rd, 2025, they announced this feature, and it's already changing how people think about AI tools. So what is this thing? Node App Builder lets you take your AI workflows and turn them into actual apps. No coding required, zero, nothing. You build a workflow once, and then you can package it up so anyone can use it. Your team, your clients, your grandma, they don't need to understand AI. They don't need to know what a node is. They just click a button and it works. Now, before I explain why this is insane, let me give you some context. Crea AI has this feature called Crea Nodes. It's basically a visual workflow builder where you connect different AI models together like building blocks. You've got over 50 AI models you can use. Image generation, video generation, 3D stuff, upscaling, editing, all of it. And you connect them on this infinite canvas where you can see everything visually. Think of it like this. You've got a prompt node where you type what you want, then you connect it to an image generation model. Then maybe you connect that to an upscaling node to make it higher quality. Then you connect it to a video generation node to animate it. Then maybe add a style transfer node to give it a specific look. You can chain as many things together as you want. It's super powerful because you have complete control over every step. And here's the thing, once you build that workflow, you can reuse it. You don't have to rebuild everything from scratch every single time. You just swap out the prompt or change a setting and run it again. This is huge for anyone doing repetitive creative work, social media content, marketing videos, product mockups, whatever. But here's where Node App Builder comes in and makes this even better. Now you can take that entire workflow and wrap it into an app. So instead of you having to go into the Node editor every time, you create a simple interface. Someone types in a prompt, maybe picks a style, hits generate, and boom. The whole workflow runs in the background. They get their output. They don't see any of the complexity. They just get results. Let me give you a real example of why this matters. Let's say you run a marketing agency. You've built this amazing workflow in Crea Nodes that takes a product photo, generates a stylized background, upscales everything, animates it into a 10-second video, and applies your brand's color grading. Normally, you'd have to do this manually for every client, or your team would need to learn how to use Crea Nodes. But with Node App Builder, you turn that workflow into an app. Now, anyone on your team can just upload a product photo, click generate, and get a finished video ad in minutes. No training needed, no technical knowledge required. This is what I mean when I say this changes everything. Crea AI isn't just a tool for individual creators anymore. It's becoming a platform where you can build AI-powered tools for your entire business. You're not just using AI, you're creating AI tools that other people can use. And the use cases here are endless. You could build a social media video generator app where someone just types what they want and gets a video ready to post. You could build a product mockup generator for e-commerce brands. You could build a quick prototyping tool for design teams. You could build client deliverable generators that maintain your brand consistency across every project, all without writing a single line of code. I want to tell you about something that can help you take this even further. If you're watching this and thinking about how AI tools like Crea can save you time and help you automate parts of your business, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we break down exactly how to use AI tools like this one to streamline your workflows, create better content faster, and stay ahead of the curve. We cover every major AI update, show you practical ways to implement them, and help you actually use these tools to get results. The link is in the description. Go check it out. All right, back to why this update is insane. The biggest thing here is democratization. Before this, if you wanted to create custom AI workflows, you either needed to be technical yourself or you needed to hire developers. Now, anyone can do it. A social media manager can build their own video generator. A small business owner can create their own product visualization tool. A freelance designer can package up their workflows and offer them as a service to clients. The barrier to entry just disappeared. And this matters for efficiency too. Think about how much time you waste doing the same tasks over and over, creating social media posts, editing product photos, making marketing videos. If you can build a workflow once and then just reuse it as an app, you're saving hours every single week, and you're maintaining consistency because every output follows the same process. Your brand colors stay the same, your style stays the same, everything is consistent. But here's what really gets me excited. You get both creative control and automation. When you're building the workflow in Krea nodes, you have complete control. You choose exactly which models to use, how they connect, what settings to apply, everything. You fine tune it until it's perfect. But then when you turn it into an app, you get automation. The people using it don't need to understand any of that complexity. They just get the benefits. That's the best of both worlds. This is what scalability looks like in the AI age. You build the system once, and then you can run it as many times as you want. And because you're using Krea's node system, you can swap things out easily. Want to try a different video model? Swap the node. Want to change the aspect ratio? Adjust a setting. Want to add a new step to the process? Add another node. The flexibility is incredible. Now, I want to be real with you about some limitations because not everything is perfect. First, you still need to build a good workflow to begin with. That takes some learning. You need to understand how the different nodes work, which models are good for what, how to combine prompts with style references, all that stuff. There's a learning curve. It's not hard, but it's not instant either. Second, heavy workflows use resources. If you're generating video, upscaling to 4K, doing complex edits, that's going to consume compute credits. If you're on Krea's paid plan, you need to watch your usage. You can't just run unlimited generations for free. So for businesses, factor that into your costs. Third, not every workflow is going to give you perfect outputs every time. AI models still have quirks. Sometimes you'll need to tweak things, test different settings, run it a few times to get it right, especially with video, which is still harder for AI to nail consistently. So don't expect to build one workflow and have it be perfect forever. You'll need to maintain it and improve it over time. But even with those limitations, this is still massive because the alternative is either doing everything manually or hiring developers to build custom tools for you. And both of those options are way more expensive and time-consuming than learning how to use Krea nodes and Node App Builder. Here's the bottom line. Crea AI just gave you the ability to create custom AI-powered tools for your business without writing code. You can automate repetitive creative tasks. You can package your expertise into apps that other people can use. You can scale your content creation without scaling your team. And you can do all of this with the same tool. This isn't just about making pretty pictures or cool videos anymore. This is about building systems that work for you. This is about turning your creative process into a product. This is about using AI not just as a tool, but as a platform to build on. If you're a creator, a marketer, an agency owner, a small business, or anyone who needs to create content regularly, you need to pay attention to this because the people who figure out how to build these workflows and turn them into apps are going to have a massive advantage over everyone else who's still doing everything manually. So that's the Crea AI Node App Builder update, announced December 3rd, 2025, and already changing the game. If you want to learn more about how to leverage AI tools like this to save time and automate your business workflows, check out AI Profit Boardroom. We break down every major AI update and show you exactly how to use them practically. Link is in the description. And let me know in the comments what kind of app you'd build with this. What workflows would you automate? What processes would you turn into apps? I want to hear your ideas. Julian reads every comment, so drop yours below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.